What if drones could scan thousands of inventory items in minutes? And can you imagine smart glasses guiding workers through every step of their job? The warehouse industry is evolving fast. In this video, we'll dive into the top 9 warehouse management trends and the top 3 startups making warehouses smarter, safer, and faster. At number 9, we have fleet management. Startups are integrating fleet management software to optimize warehouse layouts and track vehicles like forklifts and robots in real time, preventing accidents and improving efficiency. Next up, sustainable warehousing. Warehouses are reducing their carbon footprints by adopting eco-friendly practices, from compostable pallet wraps to energy-efficient automated handling systems. At number 7, warehouse security. Startups are using AI-powered cameras and blockchain technology to enhance both physical and digital security in warehouses. At number 6 is immersive reality. Virtual and augmented reality technologies are transforming employee training and warehouse planning. By using AR headsets, workers can visualize and navigate warehouse layouts more efficiently. Coming in at number 5, Internet of Things is making warehouses smarter. IoT devices like smart shelves and beacons track inventory conditions and location in real time. At number 4, wearables. Smart glasses and exoskeletons are improving safety and productivity by offering hands-free operations and reducing strain during manual tasks. Taking the third spot, inventory tracking. Startups develop RFID and optical character recognition technology to eliminate human error and automate the tracking of products. At number 2, warehouse management systems. WMS solutions use AI and big data to monitor and control every aspect of the warehouse. And finally, at number 1, warehouse automation. Robots, drones, and autonomous vehicles are taking over repetitive and hazardous tasks, allowing human workers to focus on higher value activities. Now, let's move to the top 3 startups. Did you know warehouse storage is becoming smarter and greener with new technology? Meet the system that's cutting costs and emissions. Introducing Rocket Solution, a startup that makes warehouse storage more sustainable and efficient. Their fully automated solution optimizes space, speeds up processes, and reduces energy consumption. Here's how it works. Rocket Solutions' automated storage and retrieval systems, ASRS, use vertical lifts and dynamic storage systems to make the most out of every inch of warehouse space. This setup reduces the need for expansive storage facilities, cutting down on energy costs and CO2 emissions. Not only does this technology streamline operations, but it also reduces waste by using smart software to predict and manage inventory more accurately. It's like having a fast, eco-friendly warehouse system that adapts to your needs. What if drones could fly through warehouses and manage inventory with pinpoint accuracy? Meet the tech making it happen. Let's explore Gather AI. Their solution makes tracking inventory faster, more accurate, and completely automated. Here's how it works. Drones equipped with cameras fly through warehouse aisles, scanning barcodes, labels, and storage conditions. They collect data in real time and feed it into a dashboard, where warehouse managers can monitor inventory levels, spot discrepancies, and get insights instantly. By eliminating the need for manual inventory checks, Gather AI's drones improve efficiency and reduce human error. It's like having eyes in the sky that ensure your warehouse is always in order. Ever thought smart glasses could boost warehouse efficiency? Meet OX Vision Picking, a wearable tech solution using augmented reality to optimize warehouse operations. These smart glasses help workers pick and pack items faster, with real-time instructions right in front of their eyes. Here's how it works. Workers wear the OX smart glasses, which display pick lists, product locations, and step-by-step instructions through AR overlays. The system connects to the warehouse's inventory system, providing real-time updates and eliminating the need for handheld scanners or paperwork. With hands-free navigation and instant feedback, workers can focus on getting tasks done efficiently, reducing errors, and speeding up the entire fulfillment process. It's like having a personal assistant guiding you through every task, right on your glasses. Do you want to find even more startups to transform your business? Click the link in the description and book your free Discovery Platform demo today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with the latest market insights and trends.